Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now, it was announced recently that the toll was to start on December 1st, the collection of toll, but that didn't happen, and now they have announced it's going to start on December 27th, which is in a few days. Now, they recently published the toll rates, so maybe this time they are actually going to start. Now, this highway was built it was finished in 2023 and opened. And since 2023 until now, they have not charged toll. But they keep putting out dates as to when the toll was going to start, but they never put out the rates. So now that they have put out the rates, then there is a good chance, or unfortunately, there's a good chance that they're going to start collecting toll. So what happened is Highway 2000 is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay on the south coast of Jamaica. And it's a toll road. Trans-Jamaica Highway was given the concession to collect toll on this road, the entire stretch. But the road was not built in one go. It is being built in sections, and the Kingston to Maypen section opened and they've been collecting toll on it. But then the Maypen to Mandeville leg opened in 2023, and no toll has been collected on that section. So what happened is the Maypen to Mandeville leg, that project was financed by a foreign company who they paid to build the road, and then they collected toll to pay back for the cost of building the road. That's the Maypen to the Kingston to Maypen leg. Now the Maypen to Mandeville leg, the government of Jamaica paid to build that road. And so it caused a problem because the government of Jamaica spent 188 million US dollars to build the road. Trans-Jamaica Highway, that has a concession to collect toll, said they were not interested in paying the government back for building the road. So that is what caused the delay in the collection of the toll. So apparently they've worked something out now, and Trans-Jamaica Highway is going to start collecting the toll. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. And the toll plaza that's going to start collecting the toll is located in a place, a town, or a district called Tollgate. Just a coincidence, the toll plaza is located in Tollgate, Clarendon. Tolling is set to begin on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 as Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited officially launches operations on the section of the PJ Patterson Highway on December 27, 2025. The company says the new toll road will offer motorists a modern, first-world driving experience supported by 24-hour patrols, regular maintenance, and enhanced safety services, similar to other sections of the Trans-Jamaica Highway network. To sustain these services, tolls will be charged at both the mainline and ramp toll plazas. At the mainline plaza, Class 1 vehicles will pay 480, Class 2 720, and Class 3 1,400. Motorists using T-tags will benefit from slightly lower rates and automatic frequent user discounts, including every 10th trip free each week. Ramp tolls will cost half the mainline rate. Okay, so if you're going from Kingston, from Maypen to Mandeville, you go through the mainline toll plaza. So those will be the full rates, Class 1 480. But if you are exiting in Tollgate, there is a separate toll plaza you use. So if you are exiting to basically go to Clarendon, you're going to pay half the toll. If you're continuing on the road to Mandeville, you'll pay the full toll. And between Maypen and Mandeville, there's only those two toll plazas. So basically, either way you do it, you go through one toll between Maypen and Mandeville. The introduction of toll marks another major step in improving connectivity between Clarendon and Manchester, significantly reducing travel time and supporting economic activity across central Jamaica. All right, guys, that's the end of the update article. And the government recently announced that they're going to be building a, a ring road of a highway ring road across Jamaica. And this highway will definitely be a part of that. All right, guys.